yesterday.
When I just got the car, the tire pressure sensor light was on, so I added air in each tire. Lo and behold, after adding air, the bulges started to show. So the previous owner actually did it on purpose to have low pressure in each tire so that the bulges wouldn't show. Now with the correct pressure, there's 3 bulges showing. This is the smallest one, this one is bigger, and this one looks like it's about to pop. So it is very dangerous to drive this car right now. If your tire is starting to look like this, with big, huge bulges on the side, this one is very big, please stop driving and get new tires. On the road, this can burst anytime and can cause a big accident. Your life is more important than risking it on dangerous tires. Here's a quick look of the other tires. This rear passenger tire doesn't have any bulge, but there's a deep cut on the sidewall, and sidewall damages cannot be patched. Here's the front passenger tire. There's no bulge. I guess it's just dirty. Maybe I can get away with using this one. We'll see. This is the front driver tire. This was the one I switched with the back one. So this one is the better of the 3 tires. I don't see any bulge, but we'll have it checked also, just to be sure. Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we brought our 2010 Mazda 3 here at Zone Tire Shop to get the tires replaced. Now they're still closed because I gotta get here very early so that I don't hit traffic, because I had to drive very slow and very careful because, as you saw, the sidewalls on our tires have bulges on them. So if you drive in tires like that, you have to drive very slowly because you don't want the sidewalls to explode on the highway. So we're gonna wait for Zone Tire Shop to open, and since we have a few minutes, let me explain where I got the tires. So we have 2 new tires from Walmart online. This actually was bought by our good friend and coworker Clement for his BMW X1. Unfortunately, they were the wrong size for his X1. He could have gotten away with it, but because the X1 is a 4-wheel drive, you have to have 4 matching tires. Otherwise, the vehicle's gonna jerk, and that's what happened with him. Now, these are not exactly the same specifications for our vehicle, but because this is only a 2-wheel drive, you can get away with having 2 different sets of tires. Just not a big difference though, because having too much of a difference between the front and rear tires might trigger the ABS. To explain further, the tires that we need for our Mazda 3 is 205/50 R17. This in particular is a 225/45 R17. They are slightly wider, but because of the percentage ratio for the sidewall is 45, it is slightly lower, but not much because it was offset by the width, and the computation for the sidewall is higher. You can use an online calculator to confirm that. So with this, we're gonna have it installed in the front because we want the front tires to be grippier, because that's where the steering comes from. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna have the rear tires replaced, then switch it with the front tires. So the front tires will be at the back and the new rear tires will be at the front. So they're almost open. They have the jacks out, storefront open, so we're gonna have our new tires on soon. So while they're replacing our tires outside, I'm gonna record here inside because it's really cold outside. If you need new tires, or in a budget or in an emergency you need used tires, come here at Zone Tire Shop. They have all the new tires that you need, used tires when you're in a budget, and they can install and balance it for you for a good price. That's why I come here. Please note they're not a sponsor. I'm just trying to help them out because they've been able to help me for all these years and with all my tire needs. There was even a couple of times that I needed used tires for one of my vehicles, and they were able to provide me with good used tires. So I wouldn't hesitate to recommend them. They are again here at 112 Jamaica Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. They're just in the corner of Jamaica Avenue and Pennsylvania Avenue. Now while we are waiting, let's look at some fancy rims. Nice. Deep dish. I want this. Of course, my favorite thing in coming here, coffee. And they even have some fancy snacks. Galeta pura fibra. Nice. So, coffee time.
Meanwhile,
So, while we were recording inside, they already moved the front tires to the rear. So, the new tires will be in the front. That was quick. So, the front is ready to receive the new tires. So we have our new tires on and it is now safe to drive our 2010 Mazda 3. We can finally start doing repairs. Once again, thanks to Zone Tire Shop for replacing our tires. And if you have any tire needs, rim repair needs, or you just want new rims, come here at Zone Tire Shop at 112 Jamaica Avenue. They will help you out. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's R. Jeff, and thank you for watching.